What's going on, guys? My name's Finn, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you flow controls, which you can use to slow down or speed up an air out without changing your line size. So what is a flow control? A flow control is a variable valve that you can use to slow the speed at which air goes through a line. There are a number of variables that can affect the air out and air up speed of your vehicle. Those include the overall weight, the weight distribution, the line length, and the line size. Oftentimes, we find people use this in 3/8 systems when they don't want to swap to 1/4 inch, but 3/8 is just a little bit too fast. Now, don't worry, these do come as a 3/8 and 1/4 inch option, so if 1/4 inch is even too fast for you, you can also use it there. Now, if you need to slow down your entire car, you're gonna wanna use one of these on each corner. If you just need to slow down the front, use them on the front, and same goes for the rear. You can also put one on your exhaust port. However, we do recommend using dump mufflers, and we'll cover those in another video. The two main options that we sell are plastic PTC and metal NPT. With fittings, the metal NPT does come in slightly cheaper. Now you might be asking yourself, well, how do I use this darn little thing? And it's pretty simple. On the top, there's a small dial, and you're gonna turn right to restrict airflow and left to increase airflow. And there's a small locking nut. Once you've found the desired flow, simply tighten the locking nut and you are all set to go. Now that you know everything about these bad boys, head over to bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop, and grab yourself some flow controls.